the rock, day after day, night after night, day after day, mula Lunes hanggang Linggo, itinutulak niya yung pagkalaki-laking bato sa harapan ng kanyang bahay. For many years, he was doing that from sunrise to sundown. His shoulders set squarely against the cold, massive surface of the unmoving rock, pushing with all his might. Lahat ng kakayahan niya, lahat ng angle ng katawan niya, araw-araw ipinuposisyon niya doon sa pagkalaki-laking bato at itinutulak niya ang bato na ito. And each night, the man returned to his house, the man returned to his room, sore and worn out. Pagod na pagod, hirap na hirap. And he was feeling every single day that his whole day had been spent in vain. Walang nangyayari, wala siyang pakinabang, walang resulta na nangyayari sa kanya. And seeing that the man was showing signs of discouragement, Satan, ang demonyo, he decided to enter the picture, placing thoughts into the man's mind, at sinasabi ng demonyo sa lalaki na ito, you have been pushing against that rock for a long time, and it hasn't moved an inch. Even a tiny bit of an inch is not moving, is not working. Why kill yourself over this? Sabi ng demonyo, you are never going to move it. And thus, Satan gave the man the impression that the task was impossible and that he was a failure. Wala kang kwenta, wala kang kakayanan. And these thoughts, it discouraged, it disheartened the man even more. Lalo siyang nanghina, lalo siyang nawala ng pag-asa. Bakit ko pinapatay at pinapahirapan ang sarili ko dito sa bato na ito? I'll just minimum of effort and that will be good enough. Hindi ko na aayusin, hindi ko na gagalingan. Okay na to, kahit nakasandal ako ng ganito, sapat na yon. And that he planned to do it until one day, he decided to make it a matter of prayer. And he laid his troubled thoughts to the Lord.